Environmental Science Revision on Weather Observation and Climate for Kids 4 through 12. Weather observation. The atmospheric condition of a place is called weather. These atmospheric conditions include rainfall, sunshine, temperature, clouds, wind speed and direction, humidity, air pressure, etc. Weather is studied and recorded in a station called meteorological station or weather station. The thermometer is used to measure temperature. The various thermometers are clinical thermometer used to measure body temperature, an industrial thermometer used to measure very high temperatures in industries. The wind vane is used to determine the direction of the wind. The anemometer is used to determine the speed of the wind. The rain gauge is used to measure the amount of rainfall. The barometer is used to measure air pressure. The hygrometer is used to measure the humidity of the atmosphere. The ceilometers is used to measure the height of the cloud. The process whereby water changes to vapor and rises into the atmosphere is called evaporation. Condensed water found on grass in the morning is called dew. Water vapor hanging in the atmosphere near the earth and difficult to see through is called fog. Water vapor near the earth's surface lighter than fog is called mist. A mass of smoke duct and visible water vapor in the air is called clouds. There are 4 kinds of clouds, namely nimbus cloud, cumulus cloud, stratus cloud, and cirrus cloud. Nimbus cloud. It is not far above the Earth's surface. It is dark gray and usually brings rain. Cumulus cloud. It is also gray in color but lighter than nimbus cloud. It also brings rain. Stratus cloud. It is lighter, high up the sky, it is whitish and usually indicates a good weather. Cirrus cloud. It is white in color and very high up the sky, it indicates very good weather. People who observe or research on weather are called meteorologists. Meteorologists are often referred to on the news as weather forecasters. Climate. The weather conditions prevailing in an area in general or over a long period is referred to as. What are the different climate types? They are tropical climate, dry/desert or arid climate, temperate climate, continental climate, polar climate. A climate situation where cold air masses infiltrate during the winter and warm air masses form in summer under conditions of high sun and long days is known as continental climate. The parts of the world where the continental climate exists include much of North America, central Russia, and Siberia. The warm and wet climate experienced by places found on or close to the equator is known as tropical climate. The tropical climate is also known as Equatorial climate. The parts of the world where a tropical or equatorial climate exists include the equator, and parts of North America, South America, Africa, Asia, and Australia. Dry places with bald, rocky, or sandy surfaces that receive little or almost no rainfall with very hot or very cold temperatures are experiencing the dry or desert climate, also known as arid climate. The parts of the world where a desert climate exists include North Africa, the American Southwest, the Southern Andes, and Western Australia. Environments with moderate rainfall spread across the year or portion of the year with sporadic drought found closer to the poles are experiencing the temperate climate. The parts of the world where a temperate climate exists include Canada and Alaska. Regions around the poles that are characterized by a lack of warm summers, very cold and with a lot of snow, are experiencing the polar climate. The parts of the world where a polar climate exists include Greenland, Siberia, and Antarctica. If this presentation has helped you, subscribe to be notified when subsequent ones come up. Like and share with friends.